Hello.
I feel like I'm in X-Files.
Now we need the strobe.
You have a strobe?
Yes.
Awesome.
Turn the light off. Not
I
yet.
can find it.
Maybe it's epileptic out there.
I can tear into that.
Nice.
And the smoke. We need techno. That's what we need.
Where's the music?
I do have my
What's the
laptop.
fastest it goes?
That is the fastest, unfortunately.
That has some photo. Who has a camera?
Oh my god.
He's got a weapon.
Keep down.
Alright, no more strobe for now.
For now.
I can't get you nuts.
Oh man!
So cool, really.
That is actually, that's it. Probably your finger's gone away.
Yeah.
Ah,
I can
he's
see
doing
what
it
I'm
again.
doing.
So do a camera.
It's ready again.
Get in there. Jesus
They're
fucking
they're
Christ.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, I'm letting the control now, bitch!
It's smoky in here.
More strobe.
No!
Come on!
I can't see in front of me.
Storm the room! No, I need that light. I need silhouette.
Crazy!
Oh, it flashed off the smoke.
The smoking flues.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's flashing off the smoke too much.
Let me change this to flash off.
It just got to repeat occasionally. It does get a bit. My mouth was there. Oh.
There's so much of it.
That's too much strobe. I'm starting to.
Just come in and
freak out.
pause.
Okay, table's not there.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's just like, oh, what's
Move your gun
happening?
to the side a bit. There we go. That's better. That's much better.
No helmet though.
It doesn't matter.
That is actually kind of cool.
It is very cool.
Oh man, that is awesome.
I got a good one as well, apart from my thumb going away.
Oh, that's cool too. Like, you can see your thumb, but it looks very.
Yeah, I can crop it. It'll be fine.
Oh. There's smoke in here.
We got invaded as well.
There's smoke here.
Because my fish are frank.
Oh, that'd be so
Oh,
cool.
you should get Frank and be in the smoke. Oh, that'd be awesome.
Oh. Bloody hell. Scary. No, it's still popping.
I know it will. I better unplug it if we're not going to use it.
Oh, there it
Oh,
goes.
that's all.
There comes the family. Now the party starts.
Hey, techno!
We need someone to go and take the battery out.